I'm Jamie and I'm a CSUMB Service Center from Monterey County Free Libraries, and today I will be showing you an experiment that helps to better explain the concept of diffusion. So diffusion is the process by which molecules move from a high concentration to an area of lower concentration in order to create like an even spread or equilibrium. So for this experiment, you will need the following ingredients. You're going to need a plate. I'm actually just using the lid to a container, but this works as well. You're going to need Skittles, and you're going to need warm water. So first, I started off by arranging all the Skittles around the outer edge of the plate. As you can see, I tried my best to fill all the space, so all the Skittles are touching. Now I have my warm water, and I'm going to very slowly pour this into the center. Alright, and I only poured just enough to partially submerge the Skittles, so not pouring it over the Skittles, but just enough to cover the top. And you can already see that the color is sort of starting to seep out of the Skittles, and the color is gonna gravitate towards the center where the concentration of sugar is the lowest. So here's an update about 30 seconds after I poured the water. You can see that the color is being drained from the Skittles, and you can see like all the ring of white around where the water is touching the Skittles. And you can see the color has seeped towards the center, and it's starting to mix now. But yeah, you can also repeat this experiment with different temperatures of water. For example, if you use colder water, the reaction will happen much slower, but the colors will also be less likely to mix, so you'll have more distinct rainbow. If you do it with boiling water, the colors will likely mix together and create brown, but it would happen a lot faster than if you were to use cold water. But yeah, that's the experiment. I hope you enjoyed.